Hello everyone, welcome to quick Microsoft Word tutorials. In this video we are going to see that what can we do if spelling checking is not working in Microsoft Word. So whenever we are creating a document in Microsoft Word, there is an inbuilt feature of Word that allows us to check the spelling errors. This helps us to make less mistakes, like if there are any misspelled words, then those are marked by the red squiggly lines, and if the word we have used is from another language, that also is marked by Microsoft Word. But what happens in the case this feature is disabled? How are you gonna enable it? Or if it is not working, what could be the possible steps that you can take? Right now I have this document in front of me, which is just a random lorem ipsum generator, which is just a sample piece of text. It has lots of words which are not taken from the English language, but my dictionary is from the English language. Still, there are no red squiggly lines, which means the spelling checking is not occurring in this particular document, right? So what I can do over here is, let's just go to the review tab. In this review tab, we have this language group. In the language group, we have an option called language. If you just click on this drop down, there would be an option of set proofing language. So let's just click on that. Here you can just actually select the language which you want to take for proofing. Now make sure that this option, that is do not check spelling or grammar, is checked, and click on OK. So what it means is that it would not check spelling or grammar of that particular language, but since my document is not in that particular language, it is not in English language, that is selected as my proofing language, so the spelling error should be visible over here. If this does not work, then what we need to do is go to the file, go to options. Here we need to go to this proofing tab. In the proofing tab, we need to just scroll down a little bit, and here we have an option of exceptions for, and the current document is opened as document 1. Make sure both of these options are unchecked, that is hide spelling errors and hide grammar errors. Then you can click on OK, and once you click on OK, you can see all the red squiggly lines are back. That means now the spell check is working. So that's how we do it. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.